Hey everybody, Geoff Hyland here with the Hyland Group. It is August 2024. I want to give you your July update. We've had a busy month here in July. Our team is moved into our brand new location. It's been months in the making, full renovation. We're excited to share it with you in an upcoming grand opening event. Our new address is 1953 Commerce Center Circle here in Prescott near the Basis School off of Prescott Lakes Parkway. So if you're in the area, please feel free to stop in and check us out. Let's dive into some of the numbers here for July. We had a busy month in July in terms of the number of pending sales. So that was a major uptick. There were 293 properties that went pending in the month of July. That marks nearly a 25% increase in terms of pending sales as compared to July of 2023, and about a 15% uptick compared to June of 2024. So strong months in terms of pendings. Could be a number of factors associated with that. One of those factors, which is pretty exciting, is that we did see some great relief in interest rates. Refi markets are starting to open back up. In fact, if you've purchased a home here in the last couple of months, years rather, feel free to reach out to us on that. But interest rates have come down from a peak of 7.2% in May. And as of today, early August, we're at 6.5%. There is speculation that those rates are going to continue to come down as early as September. So keep an eye on that, but it is adding a little fuel to the fire and bringing some buyers that were not previously in a position to make the purchase, couldn't quite get there. Now they are much more palatable rate. So hopefully more relief is on the way. In terms of values, we saw MLS pretty much flat. Month over month. Chino Valley, a little bit of a decrease, 5.8%. Remember, those big swings in Chino can be caused by a lack of overall sales activity, just not as many numbers. So you get some more of those sharp rises and declines. Prescott Valley, minus 1%. And then Prescott, another strong month there, 3.7%. We're going to talk about that a little bit. We continue to talk about, Prescott seeing these real strong upswings. So we dug into the numbers a little bit internally. Last month, there were 24 more sales that were over $1 million. So the luxury market remains very strong in Prescott. One thing that does is we talk a lot about averages. So we dove into looking at the median prices. So year over year, Prescott's showing an increase of 3.7% when you look at the average. I think the median for a lot of the sellers, homeowners, property owners here in the Prescott market paints maybe a little bit more what feels like a realistic picture. So if you look at the median year over year, July 23 to July 2024, it's actually minus 1%, 0.8%. So a little bit different picture, because we were getting sellers and buyers even too that were questioning. They're like, man, the market continues to increase. And we've talked in the past about the $1 million plus luxury market, and unnecessarily drawing that average up. So I think that looking at the median from time to time is a nice little dose of reality, if you will, for what we're feeling in the market for a lot of sellers. Days on market right now, hovering right around 60 days on market. Prescott's at 59, MLS-wide 61. So days on market staying fairly consistent. Our inventory in Prescott right now is sitting at about 550 homes. Prescott Valley, 193, Chino, 100, and then the rest are kind of spread around throughout the MLS. Here, early August, we have 987 properties, so roughly the same amount of inventory that we had July 1. Hasn't really ticked up as much as anticipated. We'll continue to keep an eye on it. We had speculated that we could see 1,050, maybe even 1,100 homes by the time we peak, which usually happens sometime between August and September. So we'll keep a close eye on that as well. So lots of activity in the marketplace right now. And if you have any questions whatsoever relating to, what interest rates are today, your rate, that sort of thing, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd happily put you in touch with one of our preferred lenders to get you a personalized quote, see where you're at. And we will talk to you next month. Thanks for tuning in.